At Cognizant, our purpose is clear. We want to improve everyday life through the strength and expertise of our large global workforce.
At GSK, we use our science, technology and people, alongside long-standing partnerships, to address the world's greatest health challenges and improve health globally. Our greatest expertise is in developing medicines and vaccines, but this is not enough. Until all countries have access to healthcare treatment and systems, then we need to do more to help.
This partnership is more than just about training health workers and collecting data. It is about the services that these health workers will provide to millions of people across the region towards our vision of lasting health change in Africa.
GSK is a long-term strategic partner for Cognizant in life sciences. And AMREF is a not-for-profit organization that supports healthcare for communities in Africa.
We are very proud in GSK of our 34-year partnership with AMREF Health Africa. Together, we have contributed to building greater, stronger healthcare systems, training healthcare workers, and improving treatment and diagnosis of high-burden diseases such as TB and malaria.
AMREF has been training the health workforce in Sub-Saharan Africa for more than 6 decades. And in the past 15 years or so, we have been trialing the use of mobile technology. These tools have helped us to address some of the challenges that we face within the health workforce in terms of making sure that we are providing the quality of training that is required to the health workers wherever they are.
Cognizant are going to be improving the technological platforms that the healthcare workers in Africa use to enable them to collect better data, to enable us to use that data better to make decisions, and ultimately to be more ambitious for patients.
For us, it was a natural fit, since we have worked on similar problem statements leveraging our Cognizant Assist platform, for example. More importantly, we have the right skills and capabilities to work on the problem statements, which was recognized by GSK.
We're going to deliver a platform to AMREF that will have easy, accessible dashboards, which will enable AMREF to make meta decisions and planning so that they deploy the right health workers, trained health workers, doctors, medics, and nurses in appropriate projects.
With the integration that we're looking at, it would help us to, number one, tailor the training needs and training content to meet the needs in the communities. Secondly, is to be able to make strategic decisions that are guided by data. And finally, is to have better flow of accurate information across the health system.
As the global client partner, I'm extremely proud of this new era of strategic partnership with GSK. We work with GSK on making lives of patients and consumers better every single day.